are you all?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. So me and my all friends discuss about the today's topic. So today's topic is smart work and hard work. So Anmol, you tell me the importance of smart work.
Smart work is that what we do work by our mind. And smart work we can what we do hard work, but in smart work we do this work in easily, and we find tricks in smart work.
So you tell me what is hard work.
Hard work is also what is doing by our body, and hard work is the two types, you know. One, what we do by our mind means our study. We do hard work by study. When our exam comes, then we do hard work a lot of, and also we saw a lot of labor and hard worker who do hard work by his body. So now you tell both in your wording word.
Means difference. So first I want to tell you smart work. The work which is done by our mind means if our mind is not strong, then we can't do the smart work. And to doing this work, our mind is also and hard work. The work which is done by our body means we to doing the hard work we depend on our body. If our body is not strong, then we can't do hard work as well as also.
Yeah.
You tell me the importance of hard work.
I also tell you the hard work is that one who do by our body, and in hard work the hard work is the most important in our life, because without hard work we can't know do smart work. Yeah. First we do hard work, after that we thought that about smart work.
If you choose an opportunity, means in a time you want to choose a thing, hard work and smart work. What will you choose?
Extent?
Means in both of these things, smart work and hard work, which one will you choose?
When I study in 10th and 11th also, then I do hard work a lot of. After that, when we know about smart work very well, then I do smart work.
But I question you that you choose a thing to smart work and hard work.
Hard work.
So why you choose this?
Because we.
So you tell me, if you choose a thing, smart work and hard work, which one you choose?
Hard work.
Why?
Because I think in every work we represent hard work.
Yeah.
Because if we do anything, that time we use hard work. Just like we both are catching means holding mic, and I think this is hard work. And if we do smart work, that time we use also hard work. So I think in every work we represent hard work.
You tell me that everything is happened by the hard work. It's not possible because
Why is it not possible? Tell me.
sometimes we can't do something by our body, physical body, which is happen by our mind. Means
Like, tell me example.
if you given a puzzle to solve, then it is not possible to do with your body.
You mean that we can only harbor by our body.
Means
You think that we can only do harbor by our body. Not a,
we do hard work many times like study and
how can you ask me that question? I think because I think your question is wrong.
why? Tell me how my question is.
First you repeat your question, then I ask.
You said to me that everything is possible by your physical body, means hard work. So you tell me how everything is possible by our physical body.
Because I think if we do smart work, any smart work, just like if we learning and solving a lot of questions, just like we also know about OMR, that time we use hard work. Because without hard work we can't do anything.
Yeah, but to choose the option, it is done by our smart work. If you have no answer of any question, then you can do it by your mind. Means you ever listen the name of Tukka? Yeah, it's a smart one, because if you blank it, the checker will not given you a number of this question. Means that question.
Because I think in that work we use only what things. Because
Yeah, you are right. To doing any work, our both works are happen with each other. Yeah. So you tell me, everyone says that success is. Everyone says that both things are keys of success. You tell me how these both things are the keys of success.
because because many people says that hard work is very important and no one said that smart work is very important, but I think both are very important because when we do any crack means when we do any preparing to take examination and
Yeah.
that time we need hard work
Yeah.
because
I think we need both things, means smart work and hard work.
yes, you're right. But first we do hard work. Then we can understand that smart work is also important because when we don't understand anything, because to preparing examination there's a lot of high questions
Yeah.
and when we have to solve trick means when we have trick to solve that time we can easily solve that.
So you tell me that to using the trick, we do what work, means smart work and hard work.
Smart work.
Yeah. So you said before this question you said me everything is possible by hard work.
Yes, everything is possible by hard work. If we don't hard work, that why we can get anything.
So everything is possible by hard work.
Yes,
So
because
you think that there is no value of a smart work?
no, I don't think I said that everything is depend on hard work because
I think that
this is
yeah, carry on, please.
because if we have mind means smart work. That time we use hard work because we if any teacher gave us means homework.
Yeah.
That time we
Yeah.
understand that if we understand that time we hard work.
Yeah.
After that we solve.
You tell that you, you speak that now you ask me.
So tell me what is the difference of what?
Difference of I already tell Anmol, but I repeat it again. Means the work which is happened by our body and also our fitness will be fitness will be strong. Then we can do that work is called hard work, and the work which is done by our mind and it is depend on our mind, that we can say that it's a smart work. So
But I think we can do hard work by our mind. What do you think?
you tell me.
Because as I said you that if we have a smart work means mind and we have to do any work just like we have to dig anywhere. That time we think that how can I dig in and how is it possible. That time we use our mind and the hard work also.
Yeah.
That time we succeed and get.
Yeah. You said that everything is depend on hard work. So how can you say that everything is depend on hard work?
How can you not say this?
Because I think that our body depend on our mind. So we can say that hard work is depend on smart work.
Can you tell me any example?
Example means the work which is
You were right.
if any pinch you then the signal is arrive to your mind.
But I have an example your question because I get the name of one scientist who is paralyzed
Yeah.
for his body, but his mind is very sharp
Yeah.
and he used his mind very well and he wrote a lot of books because his mind is
Yeah.
useful, but his body is not useful. But he can use his brain very easily, and so I think if our mind is useful and that time we can do anything because our body depends on our mind. If our mind is not good that time we don't think it means we don't like do anything.
So all the time I am understanding you that smart work is depend on hard work. According to you that it is possible. You ask me.
Tell me the both things. How can we use both things to get success in our life?
We use both things in our life. First we do hard work, after that we smart work.
But One time you said that hard work, all work are depend on hard work. And now time you said that both are important. Tell me difference.
Because I think what things is because I have an example. Because when I in 10th class, that time my teacher teaching me and some things is not understand by me and something is very easy and I understand that thing very easily and I learn a lot of things and something I understand. So I think if I don't understand that thing, that time I can't get, and if I don't learn anything, that time also I can't.
Can hard work make our mind sharp?
Yes, a bit
Yeah. You tell me.
because if any teacher gave us work
Yeah.
and when we do hard work
Yeah.
and as well as smart work, that time we can solve any questions because if we solve any question that time we need also hard work.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
You said that the hard work make our mind sharp but a bit. So how it is possible? I think it make our mind sharp a lot.
Because I think if we do hard work that time our body is very strong
Yeah.
because I saw a lot of cases because I also do hard work and when I don't do means when I don't use our mind that time I think that I'm like useless person
Yeah.
and when I use our mind continually that time I think that my mind is grace and I feel good.
So you ask me.
And what do you think about this question? So tell me.
I think that our means hard work makes our mind sharp a lot because we do hard work in the study, then we can sharp our mind. In anywhere we use our mind, then we can sharp it. In business, in a study, it's your choice where you want to where you want to
Because I think
focus to.
in every work hard work is patience. So I think
Yeah.
this is right. When we do any work that time we need hard work and
Yeah, you also need hard work.
after that we can do that work. If we do any work.
So which types of people do hard work, like village people and city people most?
Village people because I have an example because I think that farming is a very difficult work and in villages farmers is very difficult means do hard work and they means in whole life they continually do hard work because if her means if their fields need water that time they fulfill their field and if any animal means if any animal is present on their field that time he then means then away them and he or his life is life running away means
But why not city people? City people do hard work in office and his job. So tell me.
I don't say that city people is not hard work, because if we do any work, hard work is in everything is present. Because I said that village people is very hard working. Cities people do hard work, but I think they use a lot of mind, not a lot of body. So I think village people is most hardworking.
So when we do study, then how can we use smart work in study?
Because if we study, and you also know that if we study, and to get anything we have to work hard, and we can understand that thing. If we understand that thing, that time we can do best. So I think what is important.
You have any question?
So tell me your opinion. What's your opinion? What things?
Both are good.